Hello, today we have 10 skins, all printed with amazing texture and a very nice price. Let's see. We start with number 1. I will show first the color from Nia, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. Let's start again from number 1. So there is this, but you can see the sides. We start sides from there. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7. Mostly of them are low thickness. Number 8, very easy for sewing. Number 9, this is a washed metallic python. Number 10 is a glitter effect. Let's see the description, you can find the sites.